Good morning, students. Today we will study application of simple equations to practical situations. Take example 8. The sum of 3 times a number and 11 is 32. Find the number. See the solution. If the unknown number is taken to be x, then 3 times the number is 3x and the sum of 3x and 11 is 32, that is 3x plus 11 equal to 32. This is your equation. Now you have to solve this equation. So to solve this equation, we transpose 11 to right hand side so that 3x equal to 32 minus 11, and if you solve it you will get 3x equal to 32 minus 11, that is 21. Now divide both sides by 3. You will get 3x upon 3. Here 3 will be cancelled by 3. X is left. The x is equal to 21 upon 3. And if you simplify it, cancel 21 by 3. The 3 1 ja 3 7 ja 21. The x is equal to 7. The required number is 7. We may check it by taking 3 times 7 and adding 11 to it. It gives 32 as required. Example 9. Find the number such that 1/4 of the number is 3 more than 7. See the solution. Let us take a known number to be y. 1/4 of y is y upon 4. This number y upon 4 is more than 7 by 3. Hence, we get the equation for y as y upon 4 minus 7 equal to 3. To solve this equation, first transpose 7 to right hand side. We get y upon 4 equal to 3 plus 7. Here if you transpose 7 to right hand side, sign will be changed. Here it is minus 7, it will become plus 7. Now the 3 plus 7, it is 10. We then multiply both sides by the equation by 4. We get y upon 4 into 4 equal to 10 into 4. Here 4 will be cancelled by 4. What is left? Y equal to 10 into 4. It is 40. This is the required number. Let us check the equation form, putting the value of y in the equation. Here left hand side equal to y upon 4 at y upon 4 minus 7. Here put the value of y as 40. You will get 40 upon 4 minus 7. Now solve it. You can cancel 40 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 10 ja 40. You will get 10 minus 7. And 10 minus 7 is 3. This is the right hand side as required. Now come to example 10. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Find Raju's age if his father's age is 44 years old. Say the solution. As given in example 3 earlier, the equation that gives Raju's age is 3y plus 5 equal to 44. To solve it, we first transpose 5 to get 3y equal to 44 minus 5. How will you get 44 minus 5? Here we have transpose 5 to right hand side. Here it is plus 5, sign will be changed, that is minus 5. That's why here we get 44 minus 5, and 44 minus 5 it is 39. It means 3y equal to 39. Now we will remove this 3. How will we remove this 3? By dividing both sides by 3. So dividing both sides by 3, we get y equal to 13. How will you get this y equal to 13? Here 3y divided by 3 equal to 39 upon 3. Solve this. 3 1 ja 3 will be cancelled by 3, and here again divide 39 by 3. 3 1 ja, and 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, it is 13. What will you get? Y equal to 13. Y equal to 13. In this way you will get this equation y equal to 13. That is, Raju's age is 13 years. You may check the answer also. Here simply put the value of y in this equation. What will you get? 3 left hand side equal to 3y plus 5. Here value of y is 13. The 3 replace y by 13 plus 5. 13 into 3, 3 into 13, it is 39 plus 5, it is 44, which is equivalent to right hand side. In this way we can check this solution.